everyone, so today I'm back with second part of divisibility rules from 7 to 10. So let's start it. So divisibility rule of 7. We have to subtract twice the last digit from the number formed by the remaining digits. Okay. So subtract twice the last digit from the number formed by the remaining digits. For example 651. So the last digit is 1, then the 2 are 65 minus, subtract twice the last digit. Okay, then we have to minus bracket 1 into 2. 1 was the last digit and 2, they are 2. 6 and 5, they are 2 digits, so we have written there 2. So that will be 63. So 63, the answer. So I hope that you had cleared the divisibility rule of 7. So let's go to 8th divisibility rule. So now divisibility rule of 8. The last 3 digits from the number should be divisible by 8. This is the rule of 8. So last 3 digits from a number should be divisible by 8. Example I am taking 19640. So in this example, last 3 digits are 6, 4 and 0. Okay. Then we have to see that are these numbers divisible by 8. 640 divisible by 8. It can be divisible on 80. Okay, so let's go to divisibility rule. So now divisibility rule of 8. The last digit should be divisible by 8. The last 3 digits. In this example, 3 digits are 6, 4 and 0. So 6, 4 and 0, if we divide it with 8, so we get 80. And I'm proofing it 640 with 8. 8 8s are 64 minus, so 0 can be written as it is there. So it's 80. And I hope that you are clear with divisibility rule of 8. So now let's go to divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9 is, if the sum of all digits are divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. If the sum of all digits is divisible by 9, so the number is divisible by 9. Means this formula is same like third divisibility rule. So I am giving you example 4, 5, 1, 3 and 5. We'll add all the digits 1 plus 3 plus 5. Then it's 18. So yes, 18 is divisible by 9. Then this digit is also divisible by 9. So this was the rule of divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 10 is, a number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. For example, I am giving you any example you can take. 100. It ends with 0, so yes, it is divisible by 10. Or another side we take 35 4. So it's not divisible because the last digit is 4. So this was the divisibility rules for 7 to 10 part 2nd. So I hope that you like this video. So if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the like button.